Clever Fox Budget Stickers is the ultimate set of over 1,030 stickers for budgeting and personal finance planning. With 18 sheets of stickers, you will have everything you need to organize your budget planner, journal, or calendar like never before. Each sticker is made of high-quality paper with a matte finish, making it really easy to write on them. Plus, they blend well with any planner layout. We ensured that they stick to almost any surface and chose a vibrant color scheme with delicate rose gold detailing. So these stickers will be a great accessory while remaining functional. This set features a wide selection of tailored stickers to mark paydays, to-dos, loan repayments, bills, and any other due payments. Add these to your calendar to stay on top of your finances and remember important dates easily. Prepare financially for important events by highlighting them in your agenda, be it grocery shopping, doctor's appointments, car repairs, or visits to the vet. You'll have a perfect sticker to mark the date. Use savings and no-spend stickers to help you stay on track towards your money goals. Whenever you feel uninspired, remind yourself why you started with a tailored motivational sticker. And for anything else you want to add, use customizable stick-on strips in various colors. Note times, events, deadlines, appointments, goals. The world is your oyster. At Clever Fox, we believe that budget planning should be fun. And these budget stickers are a perfect way to take the boredom out of personal finance, once and for all. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized. Stay clever.